Okay, exercise 2.2, problem 18, discussion. Let's read the problem. If A, B, C are in AP, then prove that 1 by BC, 1 by CA and 1 by AB are also in AP. It's very similar to our problem 17. Let's mark it. So A, B, C are in AP. Then we need to prove that these are also AP. So if they are in AP, what does it mean? B minus A, T2 minus T1 will be equal to T3 minus T2. That is, B minus A will be equal to C minus B. Right? So A, B, C are in AP. Then we need to prove that these are in AP. So if these are in AP, what do we need to prove? We need to prove 1 by CA minus 1 by BC must be equal to 1 by AB minus 1 by CA. Right? So the formula, the hint is you have to use this T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. So for this you get one equation, that is B minus A equal to C minus B. Use that equation, equality, and see whether you can apply it here. That's the hint here. Okay. Anyway, let's try to work it out. So using this T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2, for this series we get B minus A equal to C minus B. Okay, we get, let's leave it there. Okay, then if these are all, if this series is in AP, then we know this minus this, that is T2 minus T1. Okay, 1 by CA minus 1 by BC equal to T3 minus T2, that is 1 by AB minus 1 by CA. So this, if this is an AP, then this will be true. So what we need to do is that we have to simplify this equation and see whether that reduces to this equation, because this is true. This they have told it as an AP, which means this equation is true, but this we need to check whether it is true or not. If it is an AP, this will be true. So what we need to do is that we have to simplify and get it to this equation. Okay, sorry, my arrow is very bad, but this is what we need to do. From this you simplify and try to get this equation. If you can get it, then it is proved. Okay, so simplify 2 and check whether it is true. That's what we mean to say here. If it is true, then these are all these terms are in AP. If not, they are not in AP. So it is more of a simplification exercise, but this is how you need to do. You need to simplify, but you have to keep in mind what you want to get. Then it's much more easy to do. Okay, now let's look at the solution. A, B, C are in AP, so which means B minus A equal to C minus B. Let's keep this in equation 1. This is what we need to prove, that they are in AP. So let's assume it to be in AP. So which means 1 by CA minus 1 by BC is equal to 1 by AB minus 1 by CA. Now take LCM for the left hand side and RHS. You will get ABC as a LCM. So what will happen? CA will go B times, so B into 1 is B. Then BC will go A times, so A into 1 will be A. Similarly, AB will go C times, so C into 1 will be C. Then AC will go B times, so B into 1 is B. So but you can see now you have this equality. You can straight away cancel. You don't even need to write this step. But for clarity I am writing it. Multiplying both sides by ABC, you multiply it, both the ABC, this ABC will get cancelled. Then you will be left with B minus A equal to C minus B. But what is this? This is this equation. We know that this is true because they gave us that this ABC is an AP, so which means this equation is true. Okay, now we have assumed this to be an AP and we are trying to derive that condition T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2 and simplify it. You get this equation. This is true. So these three are also AP. Okay, this is how you need to prove it. You getting it? Okay, so basically the thing is that they have given you one series of AP and trying to prove another series. So use this condition B minus A equal to C minus B. Keep that there on the side, and this is an AB. Find the T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. Simplify it, and if that reduces to the first equation, which means these are all AP. Okay, I hope you've understood it. Now pause the video and try to work this problem out. Thanks for watching.